Hey everyone, my name's Anders, and today we're going to talk about creating a YouTube stream to help promote or market your product or service. Now I've just signed into YouTube and I went to my video manager. You can do this by clicking in the upper right hand corner of your YouTube account when you're signed in and clicking video manager, which is where we are. Then click on playlists. It's going to come up with a number of different playlists if you already have some. But in this case, we're going to create a playlist that we plan to stream somewhere else. So we're going to click New Playlist. We're going to create a title for this playlist and potentially a description of this playlist as well. Then we click Create Playlist. Now, we can title it or edit that title once again. We have access to the description still. And we have the option of choosing between a public playlist or one that's private that we only share with certain people. Depending on the case here or who you're trying to market your videos to, you may want to choose either of these. In this case, let's make it public. Then we also can choose whether others can embed this playlist on their website or blog, or if people can like or dislike this playlist as well. Allowing others to like or dislike it or to embed it can absolutely create a more interactive experience for people with your product or service and the examples of it portrayed in your videos. Now we can add videos by URL by clicking Add URL, or now that we've created this playlist, we can search something on YouTube and then add that video that we find that is appropriate for our playlist to our playlist. So maybe we're searching for vacation getaways because that's what we're trying to promote and market. So we'll type in a vacation getaway. Now this will come up and we're going to find something that would be appropriate for our site. In this case, maybe it's a video related to cruise ships we're trying to promote. Now on this channel, and we're just going to pause this, we have a couple buttons below the video. One of them is Add To. When you click that button, you're going to have the ability to add that video to your playlist that you've just created. We just created Title Playlist, so we can click on Title. Now we can see this green box that says Added to Title, meaning that we've just added this specific video here about vacation getaways to the playlist title. My name's Anders, and today we talked about streaming a playlist from YouTube for your marketing campaign. Thanks.